Hello guys, welcome back to our section column from example. So today we see the other example on column from example, that is merging text. I have data kept in multiple columns. How do I concatenate or how do I merge those columns? So I have a file 16.1 and here is another sheet which is CFE merge. If you seen, and that's the three column I have. The first column is product ID, category and then subcategory. Three columns are there. Now what I want to bring all these three columns into one column. How do I do that? So first of all, I'll close this file and go Power BI, get data, Excel, and the file name is 16.1 and sheet I selected CFE merge and click on transform. Now you see in the table with product ID, category and subcategory. Now there are many methods. This is one of them, add column, and I can just go to column from example from all column. Since I want the columns together, there are only three columns. I will click on for all columns. Here I will type furniture space bookcases space 12520 and press enter. So that's it. You just press enter. It will automatically concatenate and the delimiter would be space. Make sure you cross check before clicking on OK button. So I can click on OK button and it is done. So when you do this process at the backend, there was a M function which was created. If you want to learn about what was done at the backend, you can click on this setting button and this will give you very lengthy function. Okay, very lengthy function here. So you can see what is here. What are the functions they have used? Text.combine, text.from. Okay, here it is very short, but in the next example I'll show you it is very lengthy function. Cancel. Let me delete this and do it again. I can just go to column from example now, but this time I don't want the entire furniture. I only want first three characters. I don't want bookcases, but I want first three characters. So I will just type here as FUR in capital letter hyphen BOO hyphen and then the code 12520. Okay. So you see first three characters and it is concatenated by hyphen. Press enter. So it did not understand. So you have to train Power Query again. One more time I'll type if you are chair. Why I am writing chair CHA? Because here in the new row it is given as chair. You can see furniture and chair. FUR hyphen CHA hyphen 12520. That's it. So once I press enter, you can see the first three characters would be given from this column, okay, and the other three characters from the subcategory. I can click on OK button. Now, if you try to do it manually, you do in Power Query by button clicks, but the number of steps would be extra. So I can say at least 8 to 10 steps, but here just by writing you can do it. You don't have to be an expert into Power Query within function, so it will automatically do for you. Now when I click on this setting button, you see how lengthy the function would be. Okay, you see there are many functions which they have written together: text.combine, text.start and text.from. So it is very lengthy function here, but you can do it with the help of column from example. Now not only this, you can just try to replace the text first to end, last, when, anything. Now, one more example and the last one. I'll just go column from example, and now suppose I only want the first character F-B-12520. Enter. Again F-C-12520. Enter. And you see the first character would be only displayed with the separator as hyphen or the delimiter. Now I can show you the function before clicking on OK button. That's a function which is written at the back end here. I'll just click on OK button and that's it. You have got all the answer here. So that's it. I hope you have understood how to work on merging the columns together or concatenating the columns together using column from example. For more insightful content, explore our open topics section. Don't forget to connect with us, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for the latest updates.